Our Refill CPR resuscitator masks are packaged in compact, high-quality zip-style bags that can be reused for storage or organization, combining durability with reduced bulk. The streamlined packaging reduces cost and waste, making it ideal for training classes, frequent restocking cycles, and the environment, reducing plastic waste. When every second counts, having a reliable CPR resuscitator can make all the difference. Packaged as either a single adult child mask or with an infant mask, our clear masks allow the rescuer to properly position the mask and monitor the victim. The adult child mask is a single mask that fits both adults and children. Simply rotate the mask to use on a child, while the infant mask is made specifically to fit infants. The adult child face mask fits securely over the victim's mouth and nose, ensuring proper ventilation during resuscitation, and includes a latex-free head strap attached to the mask, an oxygen inlet, and a soft, pliable bladder for a secure fit. Besides the masks, each bag includes the same items in our popular CPR kits that come in a hard or soft case: a one-way valve with filter, a pair of non-latex gloves, an antiseptic wipe. A practical solution for customers who already use our masks and CPR cases. Now you can replenish supplies without repurchasing the nylon and plastic cases.